Hey guys! Welcome back to Eyelash TV. So for today, I'm going to do my morning routine. So get ready with me, video siya, while answering some of your questions. Kasi nagtanong ako sa Instagram if you have any questions for me, like anything under the sun. So yeah, may mga nag-submit naman. So thank you guys! So actually, dapat i-shoot namin to for the drunk makeup tutorial video. But it was such a fail. Ang gulo-gulo. I can't. Nakakaya. So, yeah. Sobrang haba na. Tinry namin i-answer. Pero it was so long. Okay. So, yung hair ko, pinatuyo ko lang siya using electric fan. So, paplansyahin ko siya ngayon para makita nyo how I do it every day. So, let's start. My first question is from Donna Magnoo. Anong first impression mo sa fiancé mo? So, as you all know, sa mga bago sa channel ko, welcome! So, ang fiancé ko si Mark. So, yeah, we've been together for more than 5 years. Magsi 6 years na kami. Pero like, dating, 6 years na rin talaga. So, first impression ko sa kanya, kasi nag-meet kami when I was 13 years old. Tapos siya, 19 years old pa lang siya noon. So, photographer siya sa isang dance class na nag-enroll ako. So, ayun, nagpa-photoshoot kami, me and my friends and stuff. Tapos, lahat ng students, I mean, I'm not saying like lahat, pero most, crush siya. So, parang ko, uy, ang gwapo ng photographer. So, crush na crush ko na talaga siya. As in, unang impression ko sa kanya, parang, ay, ang gwapo niya. As in. So, yung pinakamahirap lang na part dito is yung likod. Kasi nga, hindi ko na siya makita. So, what I do is, kukuha lang ako ng ganito. And then, pray na hindi ako mapasok. Yun na yun. For my morning routine, what I do, pagkaligo ko is, magpe-petroleum jelly ako on my lips. Next is this aloe vera soothing gel. This is from Nature Republic. After that, I use this. This from Neutrogena Beach Defense sunblock. So, everyday na ako nagsa-sunblock since nung nagka-problem ako sa skin. This is so good. Hindi siya sticky. So, it's okay to put under the makeup. Next, for the last part of my morning skincare, this is the Swiss Program Collagex Premier. So, I'm just gonna spray it. So, this is from Katrina Fab. How did you start your business with your boyfriend po? So, I think 4 years na. 4 years na yung Marley photo booth namin. So, I don't know. One day, bigla na lang namin siguro na pag-usapan na I want to have a business. Ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, siya kasi, photographer nga siya, diba? Meron siyang mahal na camera. It's worth like 100,000 plus. So, nasasayangan siya na hindi niya nagagamit. So, parang siya, what if photo booth? As in, siya yung nakaisip nun. So, parang ako, oh, okay, sige, try natin. So, yun, nag-research na kami and stuff. And then, yun na yun. So, my dad was our buena mano. Kasi, nag-pay talaga siya full. Siya yung pinaka una naming customer na nag-pay. This is from Beach Kitty PH. What can you say to your haters? So, actually, hindi naman, wala naman akong masyadong haters. Siguro dito lang sa YouTube, medyo, like, merong pasulpot-sulpot konti. I don't know, in general kasi, ang pinaka-reklamo lang nila sa akin, isang arte ko daw. Well, guys, hindi ko talaga ina-artehan. Ganito ako magsalita. Alam mo yun? I mean, nag-English lang din ako dito. Pero like, in general, this is who I am. So, I don't know. Parang, as long as wala naman akong ginagawang mali, hindi ako affected. As in, natatawa lang ako. Instead of like, lifting each other up, they bring them down. As in, wala lang. Wala. Parang, it's so sad na may mga taong ganon. I just feel bad for them. Next question, this is from Abby Rojas. How do you balance life, work, wedding prep, friends, and especially your finances right now? So, medyo mahirap yung tanong niya kasi ang hirap, ang daming, actually na-realize ko, medyo marami rin nangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon. Pero, what I do is I just do it one step at a time. No pressure. So, ngayon, sa work, ayun, I'm so thankful na meron kaming mga family business kasi at least parang hawak ko yung oras ko. So, wala namang masyadong pressure doon. Regarding wedding prep, my wedding will be on December 2020. So, ang tagal pa niya. Relax lang kami ni Mark kasi nga, tagal pa eh. So, nagbubuk kami pa konti-konti. Ayun, finances. What I can suggest lang talaga sa finances is kailangan magtipid. For me ha, just don't buy unnecessary stuff. Most especially like shopping, makeup, damit, kahit ano, like phone, yung mga hindi mo naman talaga kailangan, makakaantay yan for special occasions. So, ako talaga ngayon, tumigil na ako sa kakabili ng makeup, skincare, damit, most especially clothes. Hindi na talaga, paulit-ulit lang yung damit ko. Wala lang, for me, wala lang. Parang, I'd rather travel or eat out than buy those stuff. So, what's your take on long-distance relationships? So, this is from Ashley Fragas. Hi, Ash! Wala akong idea about that. So, pero from my perspective lang, with no experience about it, and sa mga kakilala kong naglo-long-distance relationship, parang, I'm sorry, Ash. Parang most of them medyo nagbe-break. Kasi nga, ang hirap. Most especially me. Kunyari, when I travel to the US, parang 2-3 weeks ako nawala. Tapos kami ni Mark, hirap na hirap ako. Feel na feel ko LDR kami na parang, babe! As in, lalo na kapag different yung time zone. Kasi nga, hindi kami nag-uusap. Pag matutulog na ako, dun pa lang siya gising. So yeah, for me, you just have to try. There's no harm in trying. As long as okay kayo pareho, loyal, love na love nyo isa't isa, just try. At kung hindi mag-workout, edi hindi. Mas marami pa rin naman kayo mamimit. So, as long as you try, diba? Okay, so next is, this is from Hans Guerrero. Hi, Hansi! So, what's the saddest part about getting married? So, for me, leaving my family, alam mo yun, parang ngayon pa lang yung mga ate ko, kapag sinasabi lang aalis na sila sa house, parang, oh my God, iyak na ako na iyak. As in, OA pa naman ako, pero grabe talaga. Parang, like, realizing na magkakaroon ka na ng own family, tapos you have to leave your house, tapos, realizing in general na tumatanda ka na, alam mo yun? Kaya parang, I'm a very emotional person. Kaya kapag naiisip ko yung mga ganyan, grabe, nakakasad talaga. What's the most exciting part about getting married? So, of course, aside from wedding planning, for me, yung pinaka-exciting is, like, gusto ko kasi magbahay-bahayan. Yung bahay-bahayan na parang, alam mo yan, papaglutuan ko siya, tas maglilinis ako. Yeah, parang nakaka-excite lang magbahay-bahayan. And like, thinking of my future children, na maging kamukha namin pareho. So yeah, how do you budget your money or track your expenses? This is from Ali Gutierrez. So, in general kasi, wala akong app about this. Hindi ako organized na person in general. Wala nga akong planner. So, ayun, parang, for me, I just have 2 bank accounts. So, yung isang bank account ko, hindi ko yun ginagalaw. Tapos yung isa, yun yung umiikot na money, like for businesses and stuff. What I do is, lahat ng money, pinapasok ko lang siya sa bank para, wala akong hawak na pera. And then, binibigyan ko lang yung sarili ko na parang baon or like budget for the week. Next, how did you know that you are ready to get married? For me, there's never a right time. You can do it now. Dependent pa rin siya per person. So, yeah. As long as, feel ko, kapag naramdaman mo na siya. Most stressful aspect of marriage planning. Well, for me, isa lang sagot dyan. Ang pinaka-stressful, budgeting. Yun lang talaga yun. As in, like, kunyari, may gusto kang supplier, pero super mahal. Alam mo yun, you just have to budget kung ano yung worth it for you. Next, advice for fresh graduates. So, for me, okay talaga. Fresh graduate, hanap ka na kagad ng work. As in, kahit rank and file yan, kahit super baba ng position mo, take it for experience. What would you consider to be a perfect day for you? Siyempre, with my loved one, with Mark. And mahilig kasi ako sa mga like activities. Like, alam mo yun? So, feel ko, perfect day for me would be like in a different country, traveling, nagtutour, eating, different food. Alam mo yun, tapos malamig. Okay, so next, this from Amita Beatriz. How do you and Mark split the profit on your business and do you have an account together? So actually, we have an account together pero nakapangalan siya sa akin. So, ayun, in case na magbe-break kami or something, napag-usapan naman na namin na 60% sa kanya, 40% sa akin. Kasi, I know in general, si Mark, mas marami siyang work na nilagay, binuhos sa business. Tapos, mostly, minsan may other activities ako. Wala ako sa event. So, siya talaga nandun. So, yeah. Ganun lang talaga. So, next. Saan kayo nagkakilala ni BF from glamourtag.ph? He's not my BF. He's my fiancé. Yes! So, sinagot ko na to. Please watch the first part of this video. Next, this is from Derek Dempsey. Sumasayaw ka pa rin ba sa Live Love Party? So yeah, Live Love Party, YouTube channel siya ng mga Zumba videos, Zumba dance videos. So yeah, as of now, no na. Kasi nga, hindi na ako Zumba instructor kasi I deactivated my account. Mas nag-enjoy na ako now as a student. So next, this is from Ferrer Janela. How was your experience with flaw ends? Eyelash extension, did it last long? Was it painless? So, actually, it was painless. Super painless. Medyo humapdi lang siya nung bubuksan ko na yung eyes ko kasi parang may pumasok yata na glue sa eye ko. And then, did it last long? Oh, pinatanggal ko lang kasi nga gusto ko ipa-rest yung eyes ko kasi nagtatanggalan na rin siya. Usually, pinapa-retouch yun, pero ako gusto ko lang ipa-rest muna. This is from Marian Abe. Habol ako, favorite low-end skincare product or makeup? Pinaka-favorite ko, like I can't live without. This one. It's the Maybelline Super Safe 24 Hours Foundation. Ginagawa ko kasi itong concealer. Pag naglagay ako nito, alam mo yun, parang super fresh na ako. As in, all day. I love it. April 2 of 2019. How did you meet Tito Mark? Aww. Watch the first part of this video. I already said it. This from Kyrie-less. Anong may advice niyo for love? For me kasi, ang pinaka-ma-advice ko lang for love is compromise. If may problema, talk about it. Yun lang talaga. Figo, kaya kami tumagal ni Mark ng gato kasi that's what I realized na, you know, sa mature na relationship, you can't just be mad, aawayan. For me in love, pag wala ng respect, wala ng love, so never kayong magsisigawan, never kayong magmumurahan. Yun talaga ang pinaka na-realize ko. Once magmurahan na kayo, wala na kayong respect. Walang taong perfect. Like ako, may flaws. Si Mark, may flaws. You have to love all of them. Alam mo yun? And you can't force a person to change like fully because of you. Alam mo yun? They can change for the better and stuff. Pero hindi naman like yung fully na mag-change na siya as a person. So yeah, oh my gosh, parang amateur ng sinabi ko. Yeah. So yeah, that's it! Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something about me and about life in general. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!